Okay, so this is the 2010 COO Colt bike. It has a few modifications that I've made, including the Eastern Edwin grips, the Colt leader bars. This is a stock stem Colt. This is the only part that was not stickered. It actually has Colt on it. These are the 1.95 duo center tire in the front. These are red Sun rims, I'm pretty sure. It's not a very good rim. It rattles. These are cross-laced spokes. This is a unsealed front hub. It sucks. The bearings go every month. Doomsday peg, pretty wrecked. Getting new ones. This is a Fit Shiv 2 forks with a stock headset. Premium cap. Premium dust cap, like I just said. There's the fork cap. This is a chromoly stock frame. It says Colt right there. It's basically what it is. These are Colt PC pedals. This is a stock cranks. They're actually pretty nice. They're pretty tough. They've held up with everything. This is the MDS $1 Million sprocket. It is awesome. If you have right-hand drive and you grind on the right, I definitely recommend this so you don't snap all your chains like I did. This is a regular just Colt seat. I'm not really sure which one it is. It came with the bike, but I'm pretty sure it is an actual Colt seat. It says it right there. This is a natural wall duo stunner tire, pretty wore down. Gotta get a new one. Very nice tires. They grip pretty well. They're really skinny, so I don't know if you like skinny tires. Same rim in the back. Again, this one's bent. Stock hub and Doomsday peg. This is just a regular chain. I don't really know which one it is. It's alright. It skips a couple of times, but whatever. I overall think that this bike is pretty nice. It lasted a year. I mean, and now it's looking like this. I'm getting a fully new bike, so I'll make a new bike check after that is done in a couple of months. I overall, if you want to get a Colt CC00 or any of the CCs from Colt, I definitely recommend them. They're very nice bikes for a beginner. Once you start getting into the big stuff, I do not recommend this bike because you will bend rims and break things like I have. So that's my bike check. I'll come back to you with any updates I have. Oh, I almost forgot, these are Odyssey power ends. They're very nice. They're the toughest plastic bar end you can get. So I'd see you guys later. I guess I'll make a new one when I get some new parts.